Everybody, I'm back with Gavin. I'm back with another update along with another segment for this video. You can see now I finally got some storms look like starting to fire up. These are going to be moving away from me. They're to the east, but you can see this right back down all back through here. I'm trying to show you guys. Those are all developing storms too. These look like to be possibly developing supercells. Supercells are the main threat today, which you know what supercells are. They're rotating thunderstorms. Now I think tonight is going to be a late threat. Now I'm planning on staying up some of the night to try to get some of this. The most active part. But yeah, I got my hair cut too. Got my hair cut, get my part put back in. It's going to get really, really bad. It's already gotten bad. If you guys have been watching the news, you know there was a massive, powerful tornadic supercell thunderstorm that hit northern Kentucky. Did a whole lot of damage. I mean, there was a tornado down there. I believe a tornado anyway. I think I read somewhere it was confirmed, but there was a tornado there. I'm just have to get out to evaluate it, but I saw stuff I saw that there was, possibly a confirmed tornado there, and it looked like tornado damage. But anyway, unfortunately, these storms will mostly be at night. It's just gonna be hard to see again, but I'll get what I can take. Now, most of the Cincinnati area and then up like through Dayton, all the way up through Dayton, Ohio, I think. I-70 corridor, I-71 corridor, 75 corridor, all that area. Columbus 270 corridor, which is Columbus bypass. All of them are under, or that whole area right there, Washington Courthouse, which is Fayette County. I've been there before. Matter of fact, some of the pictures I've taken, I got to post them still from Fayette County. But anyway, they're all under a tornado watch. Clinton County's under a tornado watch. So it's just north of me, and they haven't issued a tornado watch for my county yet. But the thing you understand with tornado watches and severe thunderstorm watches is, those watches, there's what's possible in those watches, in that area with the watches. But you also realize, I think it's like a 10 to 30 mile radius or something like that. But around that watch, outside of that watch, that, the tornado system tornado watch, that tornadoes will still be possible, around that 10 to 20, whatever mile range around that watch. There's thunderstorm watches, there's thunderstorms possible around that watch. So I'll keep you guys updated. I want to get back on here and give you an update. I told you I would keep you guys updated. This is a bad night, guys. It sounds like it could only get worse. If not worse, not any better for like a while. I think it's supposed to end around like 1 a.m. Friday morning. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. And also, this is the next segment of my video. I also got some more segments. I might not be able to upload all the segments. It's something that I've recorded a lot. And I'm on my phone because it's a little easier. My GoPro, honestly, or my action cam. Because my action cam it's not the actual action cam's not waterproof. It has a case, so the sound doesn't come in. So I have to use my voice recorder for the sound. It's hard, so I don't use it sometimes. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I got videos on there. I got to upload still. But yeah. I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully you guys see me soon. This right here is a thunderstorm right here. Looks like it could possibly be a supercell. You can definitely see some convection and stuff too over here. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Hey everybody. I'm just going to do this as a beginning of the next video because I don't know what's going on. I don't think I'll be able to. Because my thing is, when I edit on my phone right now, I'm having problems with my editing software, so I have to edit on my phone. So I won't be able to get that video. Oh man, the wind's picked up. This is the problem with selling storms at night.
For tonight, occasional showers and thunderstorms are expected tonight to Friday morning. Some thunderstorms may be heavy with winds around and large hail. An isolated tornado cannot be
I was telling you on another video when I tried this, Ohio is experiencing a tornado outbreak right now. I haven't had a tornado in my area yet, but it's not over yet. That tornado warning isn't over. And the tornado watch, I mean, doesn't expire until here. Let me move back over here actually, where this light is. I was saying that there hasn't been a tornado documented in my area yet, but and the tornado watch is a county surrounding count. County I live in is not under a tornado watch, but the county surrounding counties around ours, so that's what they say tornado watch. They say, even if your county is not under a tornado watch, it's a severe thunderstorm watch, like 10 plus miles around that watch, you could see, that time or so, even though my county not under tornado watch, there could still be tornadoes in my area. And we're in my area of Ohio is still under a tornado threat, even though the watch isn't issued for it. You'll probably see me again on this evening. I have a whole lot of it, footage recorded from the day for you guys. So it just took me a while to get it all uploaded. I might honestly do it, different videos. I saw some clouds there. I don't know if that was a... get all wet. I don't care about getting wet. I don't want to get too wet, but yeah, I was saying though, I will do this video and I'm probably doing multiple different videos actually. I mean, what I was trying to say. Yeah, the rain just lit up a lot. I'm trying to look at my viewfinder on my camera, but I'm hoping it's picking up these clouds. Ooh, yeah, here we go. My first, there's been, super weather and outbreaks and tornado outbreaks and stuff already this year. This is my first big event of the season. I consider myself an extreme storm chaser. Just because, I'll go out and whatever, basically. Which may not be the smartest thing, but... that it stopped raining, I want to try to get out here a little quicker. Now it's half further in yard of me. See if I can pick up more of this lightning.
Then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 50s. Sunday night, partly cloudy.
The radio's all wet.
In the upper 20s. Monday, partly cloudy.
Oh man, now this is a scary looking super cell, guys.
Monday night, partly cloudy with a chance of snow showers in the evening and mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the mid-20s. Chance of snow 50%. Tuesday, mostly sunny in the morning. The severe thunderstorms.
The atmosphere was very prime for severe weather day and tornadoes too. I think I'm seeing some bolts here. I'm trying to get any lightning, big, sporadic lightning bolts on camera. You'll be surprised how many where I live. You'll be surprised how many of those I see. And then the line of fire, baby. Just got calm. I hope that's. I mean, I love this big tornado, but I hope that's, for other people's sake. I hope that is. And the storm's still under us, so guys, we might be ready to have a tornado warning. Oh, baby, yeah, I hope I got that on camera. What? Woo! Yeah, that was a big sporadic lightning bolt. I hope I got that on camera. Bring it on, baby, give me a tornado. Tornado, please. That might be kind of going on more bombarding, but.
West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Much cooler with lows in the upper 30s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs around 60. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour.
Sorry, guys.
Saturday night,
Got a tornado watch.
then becoming partly cloudy.
If I got that, they probably another probably landing. Oh my god, I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. So I was looking at and stuff. We aren't having issues tornado warning yet, but we are now currently under a tornado watch until 4 a.m. We are now under a tornado watch. The issue did they? Oh, there was a good sporadic lightning bolt. What was that saying? They issued they ended the severe thunderstorm warning on this. I don't know why. To my knowledge, it still has to be a criteria. But this just got very calm, like right what it needs to be, like it does right before a tornado. Look at that over there. This thing definitely has enough energy in it for a tornado, guys. I think it's just a matter of time at this moment. I could be wrong. I'm not a meteorologist, but after my knowledge and my experience, it just has enough energy in it for a tornado. I don't want to be out in the open with this lightning activities. I guess, when you're chasing, you risk a lot, so Hopefully I don't get struck by lightning. Hope God's with me on this one.
The tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Friday for the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Fayette, Hocking, Tickaway, and
Yeah, guys, this
remember, the tornado
is
watch
turning
remains
south real quick.
are favorable
The fact that everything just got calm,
including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging
this
winds.
isn't good, guys.
While severe weather may not be imminent,
This is not good. I mean, it's good for me anyway, if I'm a string storm chase, but it's not. That's what it's like right before you get a tornado. It'd be nice if it would give me a tornado. I got more storms coming in behind this one. If I wasn't worried about my camera battery, guys, I'd probably go live on YouTube. But I never done a live stream, but I'm just worried about my camera battery. And if I'm on live on YouTube, I won't be able to look at the radar. But I use my phone for the radar, that's why I have to end segments to do that. I drink a whole lot of coffee in the morning, guys. I guess according to the National Weather Service, this does not meet severe criteria anymore, according to them. But they left in that tornado warning for it. I mean, if you're a thunderstorm warning for it, it hasn't come tornado warned yet. It's raining again too. Sorry about the radio in the background being a little, staticky. I got it in my pocket, so it's having a hard time getting reception. Ooh, there's another big sporadic lightning bolt. I'm pretty sure I got that one on camera. So I was having my camera in that same direction. I'm just waiting on this to get a tornado warning, guys. I hope it does.
Friday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Much cooler with lows in the upper 30s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs around 60. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly clear in the evening, then
Love all you guys.
cloudy.
Here's Mr. and Jason family.
West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to
We are under a tornado watch at 4 a.m. So we might have a tornado before the night's over. Waiting on a good tornado warning. I don't know if the cells want a good tornado warning or not. Seems like either storm's wheel one, either moving away, or two, losing its strength.
Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following county, Fayette, Ohio. For tonight, occasional showers and thunderstorms are expected tonight into Friday morning.
Even if I don't get a tornado out of this, this is still, you know, a big old supercell.
The main severe threat window will be between 6 p.m. to midnight. In addition, the storms will be capable
But hopefully be back on at some point.
Weather spotters are encouraged to relay any severe reports to the next The wind southwest at 16 miles an hour. The barometric pressure was 29.87 inches and rising. And now the conditions for selected locations across Ohio.
Guys, it's either I want to look at the radar and stuff, and if it's still in my area, I want to come back on, or if I get a description of warning or something that's still here, I'll come back on. If not, hopefully you guys will see me some point in the morning hours.
At Cincinnati, cloudy and 71. Finally, in Wilmington, and 67. Once again at 10 p.m. at the Chillicothe Rock County Airport, it was 68 degrees under fair skies. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch effective until 4 a.m. Friday. First watch is Colorado County, Heights, Ohio. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
I wonder if I have the wrong news station or something on here, because it's, I think, Pike and Fayette. I don't know if that's Indiana or what, but it's, you know, there's multiple counties under. I'm honestly almost like the whole entire state of comes to rain again. Almost the whole entire like state of Ohio right now is under a tornado watch. Okay, they just issued, or they just said, oh, I wasn't listening to that, but they just talked about the counties in Ohio. On this storm, if it's starting to rain again, that means there's not going to be a tornado around because it gets calm, like what it was just a second ago before the tornado. So if this goes to tornado warning or something, I'll come back on. If not, hopefully you guys will see some point warning. Hopefully I will get a tornado tonight. So if this storm gets, I think I have the other one coming out of Lancaster now too, because it's starting to come in. But if it comes on, I'll come back on with this. If not, hopefully you'll see me some point in the early morning hours. I love you all, you guys, and hopefully you guys will see another segment. Hey everybody, I'm back. Just my luck. As soon as I ended that segment, I saw a big old, one of the best lightning strikes I've ever witnessed in my life in person over there. I wish I had it on camera, but you know, my luck sometimes. But this is that. Oh, there I got another one. Now, this one could be worse than that one before. This one might just do it. Coming in. I didn't check to see if it was severe warning or not. I don't think it was, but if it's not, it's probably want to go severe warning pretty very, very soon. Guys, this one might just do it. That's not good. The rain's calming down, guys. That's not good. That is not good. Yep. This isn't good, guys. Good for me, not good for the people around me. It's getting real. Oh, that hail? That's hail, guys. I get back up there. Hail. Guys, this is bad. I see there's some massive raindrops or some hail. Or hail that's melting before it hits the ground, turning the rain hits the ground. This might be in 2 parts, possibly 2 if the video is going to be too long. Like I said, I got edited on my own. It just got calm again, guys. When it does that, that means the tornado could be imminent. Oh, guys, this could be bad. This could be very bad. There's more. I can't see where I'm walking. I gotta go to bed at some point, guys, too. I'm trying to hopefully get a tornado for you guys. See a tornado before that happens. That one supercell back in July 20th, I've reposted it multiple times. I know a lot of you guys aren't viewing it, and that's alright. I understand. I don't blame you, that was multiple times. But I did realize, looking at the footage of that supercell, that there was a confirmed tornado there. No, it didn't do any damage, so it wasn't reported. But it did. On radar, it looked like a EF3 plus. So that's why I've uploaded that video so many times. So that's one of that night too, and I was realizing things, watching the footage. It's got calm again, guys. The conditions are right for tornadoes. They are right for tornadoes right now. That's why we're under the tornado watch. I'm really hoping one of these storms produces, guys. There's been tornadoes all over Ohio today. I'm hoping that one of these produces tonight in my area. My wife goes out to people. There is tornado confirmed. Tornado does come confirmed. My wife goes out. Not my wife. My prayers and everything goes out to the people affected, especially my family. Beginning of last year, there was a tornado that went around my or hit my aunt and uncle's neighborhood, and it missed their house. It hit their tree, or it hit their detached garage, tore it up, uprooted some of their trees and stuff. But his house was fine, but it hit every one of his neighbors' houses, and it was pretty, I want to say significant, but there's pretty good damage. That's over there.
Friday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Much cooler with lows in the upper 30s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly sunny.
I wonder if I should try to walk down here, knowing the danger. See if I should risk it or not. Guys, me being out and open, terrain like this, away from all these trees, it's taken a very, very dangerous risk doing that. So, definitely subscribe, and guys, subscribe please, because I'm putting my life, in harm's way for you guys. I do it also because I love weather. That's why I storm chase. But, it's extremely dangerous. Oh, I just got something else. Got a tornado warning. That might be a tornado warning, guys. Help me.
7:30 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Gahanna to near Groveport to Grove City, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind.
Yep.
Quarter-size hail.
It's just been severe warned.
Radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible.
Just went severe warned.
Expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
The next thing after the severe warning, thunderstorm warning, guys, is a tornado warning. I don't know if that was for me though. But if we want tornadoes, we want these storms to get severe warned. Supercells are rotating thunderstorms, if you guys who don't know.
I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 93 and 101. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the lower Scioto River Valley. Overnight, showers and thunderstorms late this evening. Then showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds and large hail late this evening.
I don't know if that.
Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%.
I don't know if that was this storm that was severe warned or not, but I can tell you guys. So I'll be right back in another segment. No, guys, hello. Storm chase. Extreme storm chase. Come back with another video. I totally blew that one. Lightning strike right over there. Right over there. Oh my God, that was the closest and most powerful lightning strike I've ever seen.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
I wish I would have had that on camera. I also got a big sporadic lightning. This is a storm, guys. This is a storm. Even if it doesn't produce a tornado, this is a storm I need to be paying attention to. This is over Leesburg right now.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio,
Let's keep that off.
television outlets, or internet sources for the latest
Sure about
severe
my
weather
hair.
information. The tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Friday for the following counties: Pike, Ohio.
This thunderstorm says it has frequent clouds of ground lightning with it.
Large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, or internet sources for the latest weather information.
My foot back over. Aim the camera over here and something hope pray for something like that again. Lord, please let me do something like that again. That was my fault. I waited too long to start recording.
Overnight, showers and thunderstorms late this evening. Then showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds and large hail this evening. Unseasonably warmer blows in the upper 50s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. Friday.
That was the closest I've ever been to a lightning strike.
Cooler with highs in the upper 50s.
I kind of felt that one.
10 miles an hour, becoming north in the afternoon. Chance of rain 80%. Friday
Oh,
night.
Lord, please work with me. Here, Lord, please let me know.
Becoming partly cloudy.
Oh boy.
Upper 30s.
I'm hoping and praying, guys, and hear that.
Miles an hour. Saturday, mostly sunny. Highs around 50. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy.
I was like dangerously close, guys. For a lightning strike.
10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25
I
miles
feel
an
so
hour.
bad I wasn't recording when that
Mostly sunny
happened.
in the morning, then becoming
I
partly
know your
cloudy.
boy Gavin's got to be on
Highs in the lower 50s.
on stuff like that.
Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Monday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance
I was
of
tracking
snow
that
showers.
storm coming this way, paying more attention to that one when I apparently should have been
Monday
paying
night,
attention to this
partly
one.
cloudy with a chance of snow showers in the evening, then mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the mid-20s. Chance of snow 30%. Tuesday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-40s. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 30s. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the lower 50s. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 30s. Thursday, mostly sunny in
Tornado
the
watch.
morning, then becoming
I'll start
partly
tornado watch
cloudy.
again.
Highs in the upper 50s. Here are the 11 p.m. weather conditions. The tornado watch has been allowed to expire for the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Fayette, Putnam, Pickaway, and Ross. The tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Friday for the following counties: Pike, Ohio. Remember, the tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may be imminent, persons should be alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here are the
Oh, Lord, please let me get something like that again.
the Chillicothe, Ross County, temperature was 64 degrees, and the relative humidity 77%. The wind southwest, 15 miles an hour, gusting to 21. The barometer was 29.88 inches and rising. And now the conditions for selected locations across Ohio. In Columbus, a thunderstorm, and 60. In Lancaster, mostly cloudy, and 66. Ricky-Macker Airport, a thunderstorm, and 63. In Athens Fair, and 66. At Cleveland Fair, and 61.
That lightning strike was just in the valley over there, just in that field right across the street with that strike, I'm pretty sure.
Finally, in Wilmington, light rain,
With that CG hit.
69. Once again at 11 p.m. at the Chillicothe, Ross County Airport, it was 64 degrees.
We are experiencing tornado out Ohio, guys. It's experiencing a tornado outbreak right now. I think that might have been my only chance on that storm to get that, on this particular storm anyway. I think I blew that one.
Thunderstorms were located along a line gusts 10 to 15 miles an hour and any size hail.
Back up here, try to get a wider angle here.
Cause minor damage to vegetation. Locations impacted: Chillicothe, Logan, Nelsonville, Austin Park, Goldstoke Village, Hideaway Hills, Star, Morrellville, North City, Adelphine, Putnam County, Outbreak.
Ooh, there was one. Guys, lightning. Guys, I am really pushing the bucket here. I'm really risking this. Getting struck by lightning. Suggest subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my channel, please. I'm going through this. Not only do I enjoy it because of you guys as well.
For the following county: Benton, Ohio.
Stream meteorologist Gavin Garrett here. Not meteorologist, sorry, stream storm chaser Gavin Garrett here. I don't know why I said meteorologist. Forget I said that. I'm not a meteorologist, guys. But I am an extreme storm chaser. I've missed every lightning strike. Every CG's happened so far, I missed it. I got a couple sporadic, got some few, sporadic lightning bolts on camera, but next time, if we get another event like this, guys, anytime soon, another tornado outbreak or something, which, from what I'm understanding, tornado outbreaks and stuff, violent tornadoes being active this year in Ohio, I'll try to definitely get a live stream for you guys. I'd love to be able to talk to you guys and get to know you guys. There is a flash.
Thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind in and close to the watch area.
Yeah, that strike with that CG sound like it's close. There's going to be close somewhere. Ooh, big sporadic lightning bolt over there. I think that was either a strike or that was either a Shuji, which is a lightning strike, or a CC, which is a cloud-to-cloud lightning bolt. I'm aiming over here, but that's where that supercell is. That's Leesburg down there, and that's where that supercell is.
The tornado watch has been allowed to expire for the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Fayette, Hawkins, Pickaway, and Ross. The tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Friday for the following county: Pike, Ohio. Remember, the tornado watch.
Whoa! I think I got that one.
Development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, and close to the watch
Beautiful supercell, guys. Crazy, just barrage of lightning, just lightning going nuts with this.
Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region.
There's another crackle in the thunder caused by the limbs of the lightning branching out without the thunderstorm. Different limbs of the lightning bolts. So it causes that crackling sound.
For the weekend and into early next week. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for the lower Scioto River Valley. Overnight, showers and thunderstorms late this evening, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may be severe with damaging winds and large hail late this evening. Unseasonably warm lows in the upper 50s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 90%. Friday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Cooler with highs in the upper 50s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming north in the afternoon. Chance of rain 80%. Friday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy.
You're wondering why I have to walk around the grass now and stuff and use, but I put my raincoat on
5 to 10 miles an hour.
so I could do this.
Saturday, mostly sunny.
Because this is probably going to be the last storm I film tonight.
10 to 15 miles an hour. Saturday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 40s. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Sunday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 50s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Monday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of snow showers.
Now there's another storm that was behind me, guys.
Monday night,
It's behind me going south. I mean, that was the one I was originally tracking and watching. That kind of split, and that's going south of me now. And that one's severe warning. This other one that's producing all this lightning over here is just a sorry, notifications. It's just a strong thunderstorm. It's not a severe warning.
Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 30s. Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 50s. Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Here is a special weather statement. For the following county, Dayton, Ohio. A strong thunderstorm will impact northwestern Meigs, Dayton and southwestern Athens counties through 12:15 a.m. At 11:41 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 9 miles southeast of Kingston, or 11 miles east of Chillicothe, moving east at 35 miles
Well, I've been
an hour.
hearing, guys, we are supposed to have
Wind gusts up to 40
an
miles
active
an hour and
into
heavy
March,
hail.
so
Source, radar indicated
hopefully it won't be long before I get to see stuff again.
winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects.
But if I get another event like this, you know, coming up soon or anytime in general, I probably not. If I don't go live for a long time, I'll just go live for a little bit, you know, so you guys can see it live and so I can talk to you guys. Whoa, got that one. That was close. That was another close one. Guys, these are just powerful supercells. These are powerful, almost, you know, violent, somewhat violent supercells.
A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for southeastern Ohio. The national
I saw that sporadic lightning bolt there. I'm pretty sure I got that on camera for you guys.
until 3 a.m. Friday.
No, I hope I got that on camera anyway.
The following counties,
You know, for me too. But
Jackson and Vinton. Remember,
that apparently struck somewhere too.
means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A tornado watch has been allowed to expire for the following counties in Ohio: Fairfield, Fayette, Hocking, Pickaway, and Ross. The tornado watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Friday for the following counties: Pike, Ohio. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Now looking at the weather pattern affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. Showers and thunderstorms can be expected tonight into Friday morning as a cold front moves through the Ohio Valley. Behind the front,
Got that, saw that one, got that one too. I can't remember. Oh, there's another one. These are Ohio supercells for you guys. Guys, I might have to end this soon. I got so many segments. I'm probably going to do multiple videos out of these segments, honestly. Just I got so many I could do. Yeah, a couple videos together when I edit, but I gotta go to the restroom too. My friend's dress cool. That vehicle has purple lights under. Glowing lights under it. Yeah, guys. If I don't do another segment, I'm gonna have to go to the restroom, guys. Here, but I'm kind of holding it. I'm just getting one more bolt out of this. But I ought to get one more bolt.
Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the 430s. Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 50s.
These are Ohio supercells for you guys. It's been cool for during the day, but honestly, I can't complain a bit. Even that I get tornado, I can't complain about that either, because I saw some incredible storms coming out of this severe weather and tornado outbreak.
The report from Chillicothe was not available. Here is a special weather statement.
So there were tornadoes in Ohio today. None of these supercells, at least in my area, were tornadic. Some of them went off and on with severe warnings, or thunderstorm warnings.
Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm 9 miles southeast of Kingston,
But,
or 11 miles east of Chillicothe, moving at
I think I might have saw a bolt out of that.
Hazard. Wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour and Haskell
Looks
Trail.
like I have a camera that way, so I'll see on the video if there was one.
Impact. Gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to
So
the
hopefully I'll see you guys be more frequent now that storm season's fine. Storm season started on, March 1st, meteorological storm storm season, severe weather season. Even though technically it's real spring, doesn't start till the 19th of March, which is just in a few days. But hopefully severe weather season will be active now that we're getting into the active part of it.
Lightning can strike 10 miles away from the thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. A severe
I was wanting to get some more strikes on for you guys for tracing, but honestly, every strike I've seen when I wasn't recording. Now, I probably come back on again unless we get a tornado warning. Just because I gotta get some sleep, because I got an appointment in the morning and stuff, so, yeah. I'm gonna go end this here. Like I said, this will probably be not only multiple segments, but multiple videos. And it'll take me a while to get all these edited. So, just keep an eye out. Hopefully, if we get another big event like this, I'll try to go live for a little bit. The problem I haven't gone live yet is there is a big sporadic lightning bolt. Saw that one. Even though the reason I haven't done any live streams really, I was kind of trying to save it when I start storm chasing, or I'm trying to get my enjoy streams just me enjoying just the weather more and chasing like I wanted to. Also for you guys and stuff. I'm going to try to get my foot into storm chasing at the beginning of July, and between somewhere around July and August, which is the last, couple months of storm season. Honestly, even though they're the last couple of months of storm season, they were some of the most active months, at least here in Ohio and the Great Lakes region anyway.
Commercial radio and television outlets
So hopefully I'll be able to get, get some actual chase and actuals for you guys. I look forward to that. I'm planning on. Oh my gosh, I got that on camera. That was a big sporadic lightning bolt. Yeah, so look out for that. Hopefully I'll see you guys more active. And now the goal is, if I can get I'm getting my license here soon. I'm supposed to have my exam tomorrow, and I had to cancel it due to the weather because it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow too. So on my schedule, hopefully I'll get it again here soon. That's why I was able to stay up so late tonight. So yeah. If I can get my license here in a month or two, like the plan is, like the goal is, and then that's the big thing. That's one thing, but another big thing is if I can get my own car by June. Depends on whether or not I can get my car by June.
Friday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Much cooler with lows in the upper 30s.
That's that. So I want to wrap this up here, guys. I love you guys. You guys are my Storm Chasing family. I consider all you family. I appreciate all you that support me. So yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Make sure subscribe to my channel for all these guys. I put myself through some dangerous stuff tonight. I'm enjoying doing it, but because I love the weather. I'm a extreme storm chaser. I love weather. But yeah. Subscribe to my channel for I do put myself through some serious stuff. And once I get experience storm chasing, I'm putting myself through a lot more serious stuff. So yeah, like the videos if you like. Like I said, videos, but like I said, it's probably multiple videos. Just for how I have to edit on my phone. So yeah, let me like, leave your comments down below. I read as many. I can't always get to all the comments, but I read as many of them as I can when I see them. So yeah, I love you guys, and hopefully I'll see you soon. This Storm Chaser, Storm Chaser Gavin, signing out. Love you guys.